Hi friends, today I am going to show you the new branded pen, that is Reynolds Eraser Gel. It's a waterproof ink gel pen. This pen price is around 10 rupees only. So let me show you the cover. So this is the pen. It's the same color. It's a black. It's a black color. It's a Reynolds original since 1945. Let me show you the back cover. So as I mentioned as a needle point tip for smooth writing and special waterproofing, fade resistant, youthful body design and comfortable soft grip. This pen cost price is 10 rupees and uh, let me show you the specific features of this pen. Okay guys, these are the internal parts of the Reynolds Razor Gel, and this is a refill gel refill, and this is also a refillable gel pen. This pen is available on offline market, I mean local market, like you will get the local shop also. And let me show you the smooth writing. Reynolds Razor Gel. It's very nice pen. 0.5 mm needle, very smooth writing and also waterproof. I didn't check it's working or not for a waterproof. Let me check you and I will tell you, discuss about this one. Okay, this pen is very nice. Its cost price is 10 rupees and no need to buy for a branded things like a Uniball and etc. This actually they're too costly, but this pen is very nice to very gripper and also it's available needle gripper and the designing also good. I like this cap one. It's also looking very nice. This pen is very good and useful for students and office, for normal office users. This is very nice. Okay, thanks for watching the video and subscribe this my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.